Hey everyone, it is Cathy here at Terrace Honda, and I am bringing you a vehicle tip that will hopefully help you out. I know there's a lot of you that come in with this question, and it is how to figure out the proper tire pressure for your vehicle. Now, this might seem really simplistic to some of you, and if you do, that's fine. This isn't for you. But lots of people are in car gurus, and everyone has to start learning somewhere. And so if your tire sensors are continually going off, it's continually saying that you need to add a little bit of air to your tires or something, this is for you, and I'm going to show you how super easy this is. Now I'm going to turn this around here because I want to show you on the inside of pretty much most vehicles, especially all newer vehicles, on the inside door frame on your driver's side, you have let's see if I can straighten this out here. You have some different stickers on the inside of the door frame, and it is going to show you a bunch of different information. And if you can see here, it's going to show you your front and rear and spare tire. It's going to show you the tire pressure for your front and rear tires and also your spare tire. Now, what happens here, maybe you do have it set to that pressure and it's still going off. And I'm going to say that, obviously you want to with your dealer first, make sure that your sensors are working well, that nothing needs to be replaced. But here's what we found, because we have people coming in all the time here with this problem, especially in the fall and winter. When it gets cold out, or you've got some drastic temperature changes, air either expands or contracts. And especially when it gets cold, a lot of people come in, they've just had their tires changed, the weather's changed, there's a lot of, it's really cold out driving on the highways, and suddenly their tire pressure monitoring system keeps coming on saying that their tires are low. And this is because of the change in, the air pressure inside. The air is cold and it doesn't take up quite as much space. So the simple solution is to just, add a pound or two of air to your tire. You don't want to do a lot, but we do this here all the time in our shop, and it helps solve the problem. Now, what you want to do, like if you have a vehicle like the CRV here, and you have a tire pressure monitoring system, you want to go into your settings, and let's see here, into vehicle, and you have a recalibration system. Now, every vehicle is different, of course, but if you have a Honda and you have this in your system, and then you hit calibrate, and it will automatically recalibrate those sensors so that they're reset, and it should be good. I hope this helps. I would love to hear from you. You can leave me a comment, send me a message. Be sure to give this a thumbs up, and I hope to hear from you soon. You have a fantastic Saturday, and I'll talk to you again soon.